Hello, I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Sky Painter Fireworks. We are in the fireworks business for more than 18 years. I have been working here for more than 13 years. Today I would like to introduce one item from our competitive price line, Sky Painter Fireworks. Sky Painter is one of our everybody can afford the line. So today I would like to introduce one item. It's a 300 gram cake, 30 shots with long duration like 40 to 45 seconds. It mixed with different color dollies with strobes and red and white and gold plan with different colors. Also you will see the Thai gold coconut with gold strobe and chrysanthemum. So it's a very worth item from the price level and also the effects. So I hope you like it. Let's take a look at the mass production pictures and the videos. See you next time. Bye bye.